Okay, so I actually like Arnold Palmer, and what I'm trying to do today, maybe make another iced tea mix. So first we have black tea. And now let's try if we can do something like Arnold Palmer. First one would be with Gatorade. Second one with a mocktail. This one would be almost similar to Aperol Spritz, but non-alcoholic. And then let's try with A&W root beer. And okay, let's just pick one. Start with this one. Let's just see how it tastes. This one actually tastes good. Now let's get the Gatorade. Tastes kind of, to be honest, neutral, more towards Gatorade, not much towards black tea. And now A&W root beer with black tea. Ugh. Okay. Alrighty. Whew. So that's almost a crime to drink that. That is awful. Black tea and mocktail tastes good, and black tea and Gatorade actually tastes good as well. Root beer and black tea, it's a no-no. It's bad, but maybe let's put in a little bit more root beer. Maybe it tastes a little bit better now. Let's just give it another try. Oh, no. Poor. No. Oh my gosh. That is not good at all. Let's try the spritz again. Okay-ish, maybe a little bit more of the spritz. It's okay. Let's put in a little bit more Gatorade in here. To be fair and square, after trying that to make like my own Arnold Palmer, I'll stick with the original Arnold Palmer, and none of them are really good, to be honest.